In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello boards 2025 5 minutes. Trello is a simple visual way to organize work using boards, lists, and cards. We'll set up a board from scratch and walk through the tools you'll use every day. Start by heading to the Trello website. If you're new, create a free account in a minute or two. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, look for the Create New Board button. Give your board a clear, descriptive name that reflects the project or purpose, like marketing launch or home renovation. Next, choose the visibility setting. You can keep it private, share it with your workspace, or make it public. When in doubt, start private and open it up later. These settings control who can view and contribute, which is important if you're coordinating with a team or keeping personal plans private. Your fresh board is made of two core elements, lists and cards. Think of lists as the stages of your workflow, and cards as the individual tasks that travel through those stages. You can rename lists to match any process. A simple setup is to do, in progress, and completed. For content creation, many teams like ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Rearranging is easy, just drag lists left or right until the sequence matches how you work. Now add your tasks as cards. Inside any list, click Add a card and give it a short, action-focused title. The magic of Trello is in tracking progress by dragging cards from one list to the next as work moves forward. Click any card to open the card back, where you'll add details and collaborate. Use the description field to capture context, requirements, or notes. Add checklists to break a big task into smaller, trackable steps. Set due dates to create deadlines and automatically get reminders as they approach. Apply color-coded labels to categorize work by priority, type, or owner. Attach files, relevant links, or images so everything you need is one click away. And keep conversation in one place with comments. Add mentions will notify the right people and reduce scattered messages. That's it. You now have a functional Trello board. Start simple, keep card titles clear, and update cards as work changes. Over time, refine your list names and labels so the board mirrors how your team actually works. With a few minutes of setup, Trello becomes a real-time picture of progress that everyone can trust. Make it a habit to scan your board at a glance to spot bottlenecks and keep work flowing.